Hey Aiden, can you hook me up with a discount for your sister's OnlyFans?
That's heavy. That's JT?
That's my baby.
That girl JT with the 100 gifted? That's JT?
Shut up, bro. You a weirdo.
JT said, send my man home. Yo.
Little Uzi. Little Uzi. Little Uzi. Wait, chill. I put Little Uzi. Little Uzi. I looked at a tree the other day. Like, really looked at a tree.
At a tree?
Yeah.
What did the tree do?
Nothing. It was a tree.
A Rob Zombie poster. Guns Garcia.
Yo, he know too much.